Hi everyone, I'm Patty Olmstead in for Melissa Carlson, just giving you a little preview of today's webcast for Thursday, July 5th. We'll be starting off today at 10:50 and going live online at 11 with doping leniency. Yes, Lance Armstrong is in the news again, but his teammates are now under review. So we'll be talking about that and get the latest. Next, we'll talk about a lifeguard who was fired for trying to save someone out of his zone. What do you think? Next, calf roping. We all love going to the rodeo. Did you realize that those calves are only 3 or 4 months old that they're roping and throwing down onto the ground? Well, the Humane Society did and has started a campaign against calf roping. And finally, we'll have Matthew Brown from Nevada Magazine to tell us a little bit about what's going on this weekend. So join us on our Google Plus Hangout at 10:50.